All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Welcome back to the YouTube. Today, I'm doing an awesome video on this 2014. Come on now, guess the mileage. 2014 RT. She is flossing top to bottom. This car has just over 31,000 miles. It is a perfect, not perfect, it is used, but it's near perfect condition, man. It's in absolutely great shape top to bottom. There's a couple small little spots that we have to touch up. Other than that, the car is fabulous. Tires almost brand new. Factory polished wheels from Dodge back in 14. The whole, I mean, look at the backside of this. Rear backup sensors. Come on now. That was a big option. Hey, that was a big option back in 14, okay? Aftermarket fuel lid. I don't think this is factory. I think that's aftermarket, pretty sure. RT stripes. The body on the driver's side is absolutely gorge. No crazy damage to speak of. Windshield looks clean. The hood's in really good shape. Front bumper has one little mark, I think, towards the front. One little chip mark right there. We will touch that up. You guys won't even notice it anymore. There's a couple other small rock chips, maybe one here, one there, one there. A couple small ones. Once my detail department gets a hold of it, this car will be 100% flossing top to bottom. Here's the last spot right there on the front bumper. Outside of that, the paint looked all original. Again, tires are every bit of like 90-95%. The passenger side is in really good shape. No big door dings, anything like that. Like if you look down the body panels, no door dings. The roof, absolutely wonderful shape as well. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. We come up with some unique vehicles all the time. Obviously, this is more, you know, standard, generic. But it's a 31,000 mile 14 that you can buy for 20 grand. 20 grand will put you in an RT Hemi, okay? Fully serviced, perfect title history. You got the burgundy interior, got the leather suede RT embroidered on the seats. You got this, like, it's not carbon, I don't know what the hell it is. But anyway, I mean, this is a lot of car for 20 G's. And on top of that, heated seats. Interior, fabulous, man. The interior's in really good shape. No cracks on the dash anywhere. Really no wear even on the steering wheel. The steering wheel even looks like nobody's freaking touched it. I think they were driving this thing with white gloves on, okay? Back seats, they don't even look like anybody sat in them. Which, you know, you can still fit an adult back there. I could definitely fit back there. I'm only 4'11", so I'll easily fit. Challenger, this is probably, I believe that sticker's probably aftermarket too. Maybe they did that factory back in 14. I don't know. But anyway, interior, 9.9 out of 10, easily for a 14. Body, I'm gonna go as high as a 9.9 on this car too. It's only got a couple very small flaws. You could do, you know, a full like paint correction on the car and it would be like showroom condition. Unfortunately, I don't have the detailing capability to do paint corrections on site, but it's white. It's still super glossy. It still looks extremely good. You know, if you get a hold of a buffer on this thing and you know what you're doing with some machine polish, this thing will shine up and stand absolutely tall. Anyway, you guys can find this car right here, DLUX Motorsports, Latson, South Carolina. I'm a specialty dealer. We sell nothing but sports cars and lifted trucks. It is basically a guy's adult toy store, okay? Guy shit only. However, I do sell to a lot of women. I will take that back. We're not just guys. Girls buy a lot of this stuff too. Anyway, overall, a gorgeous car in person. If you guys have any questions, give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. Don't forget, man, like and subscribe. Drop a comment and tell me what you guys think about this RT, because she, in my opinion, she is, I mean, it is all there. Until next time, next video, it's your boy Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Hey, keep that shit down. Boys around here revving engines. All right, till next time, peace.